Today is a great day for an exciting IPTV update. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. For the best IPTV services, visit 2tv.store today. Let's jump into how to install IPTV on smart TVs. First, navigate to the App Store on your smart TV. Search for your preferred IPTV app in the store. Once found, click to install the IPTV application seamlessly. After installation, open the app and log in securely. Now you can start browsing through the channels effortlessly. Next, let's explore installing IPTV on Android devices. Open the Google Play Store and search for IPTV app. Download and install your selected IPTV app swiftly. Open the installed app and sign in with your credentials. You can now enjoy seamless streaming on your Android device. Experience the ultimate entertainment with IPTV on all devices. Remember to check out 2tv.store for memberships. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Visit 2tv.store to elevate your streaming experience today.